What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, if it's not, welcome back. Welcome to ImJustTechnical. My name is Jasmine, and on this channel I teach you about all things beneficial for your YouTube and Twitch channels. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a Lurk command using Nightbot. Last time I taught you how to do that using Stream Elements. If you want to know how to do that, then click. It's in one of these corners. I can never get it right, but if you want to learn how to do that using Stream Elements, I created a video on that, so you can check that out in one of these corners. But today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Lurk command using Nightbot. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, then keep on watching. You want to go to nightbot.tv. I'll have the link down below in the description box. And you want to log in with your Twitch account. And once you log in, you want to come over here to the side, and you can't see it behind my camera, but right here it says commands. So you want to click on commands, and then you want to click on custom. You want to come over here and click add new command. I like to keep it simple when it comes to naming it, so I'm just going to do exclamation point Lurk. If I can spell, I'm about to Lurk. So we'll keep it like that. User level, we'll leave it at everyone. Cooldown just means it gives the amount of time that this message can be used in the chat. So if a lot of people are trying to use it, it'll have a cooldown. So say if I'm in the chat and I use this command, since this is set at 5 seconds, it won't trigger another response message if somebody uses it in under 5 seconds. Alias, don't worry about that. We're gonna hit submit, and now we have a Lurk command. So now I'm gonna go over to my Twitch channel chat, and we're gonna test out and make sure that this command works. Make sure you're logged in. I'm already logged in, so just come over here to the top right hand corner, and you're gonna click on your profile picture, and you're gonna go to channel, and then you're gonna, I always forget I have a channel trailer, it's fine. While we're here, I'd appreciate it if y'all would check me out on Twitch, twitch.tv/imjustjazzmine. Give me a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you in advance. But then you're gonna come down here and you're gonna click on chat. And first and foremost, you wanna make sure that Nightbot is a moderator for your channel. You wanna come down here to the chat, and you wanna type in /mod space and the name of the person that you want to mod, which is Nightbot. So Nightbot. Now, as you can see, Nightbot is already a moderator for my channel, and if you haven't done this already, it will give you a message saying that Nightbot is now a moderator for your channel. This is just to, you know, ensure that the command works. All right, so we're gonna come over to the chat, and we're gonna type in exclamation point Lurk, and our message should pop up for Nightbot. Stream Elements pops up too, because that's who I mainly use, but Nightbot, it says stand back, I'm about to lurk. And our command works. I hope that you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, I'd appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for new videos like this every Wednesday and Saturday. If you have any specific tutorials you would like to see, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll check that out. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all.